I'm leaving the guard on there for now because I don't know what this thing's gonna do. Obviously, as you can see, I started already, but this bit right here, it's very dangerous. So that's why I got this. That's why you're seeing this, because if shit goes haywire, you'll be the first to know. Yeah, so anyway, here we go. All right, so first fail, wear safety glasses. We'll see if you can see this. I don't know. Look at this mess. So, I mean, you can see I'm going in that direction to my right, your left, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, I feel like I have more control over it. This is really, really cool. The guard does get in the way of being able to see the workpiece, but I don't care. I mean, this thing can be, I don't know what it's spinning at, but you can see that here. So this is a piece of spalted maple. It's beautiful. I mean, look at this, the grain here. It's pretty cool. So, I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. I just thought that this figure right here was really cool. Well, what can I do with it? I don't know. But that was, I mean, that wasn't much of a test. You do have a lot of control over it. You definitely have a lot of control over this. You know, I've got the trigger all the way pressed all the way. I got this cheapy thing from Amazon. So we'll see. I don't know. I don't know what to make of it. You know, that was, I don't know, 2 minutes of running it. I also got this piece here. I got that piece right here, so that's what we're gonna try next. All right, so I don't know about this. You know, like, what the hell is that about? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna work out. I mean, this right here doesn't seem too kosher, but whatever. Let's try it. Alright, that's spinning super fast. Not sure what the difference is. Anyway, forgot to clamp it down. Yo, I mean, there's a lot of sanding that's gonna need to go into that to clean it up, but that definitely limits how far you can go, obviously. Yeah, I mean, you'd have to go on it. Yeah. That's cool as shit. Now I just have to figure out what to do with this piece. But I thought that was pretty cool. Alright. Alright, so there are retaining clips that hold the chain in place. You know, this thing's from China. Where are these? This thing's from China, so it comes with no instructions whatsoever. You're kind of on your own with that. You got to kind of figure it out. So this thing, it's got a whatever this film is, plastic thing. It had retaining clips that, like an idiot, you know, I thought it was a good idea to leave those on there, but they're basically like paper clips. And at the first go, those went flying except for one. But this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Alright, so take those off, because this goes like that. Something like this. Yeah, there you go. And then I'm assuming it goes like this or like this. I think it goes like that, and it holds the chain in place on here when you have it in the packaging. Once you tighten this assembly down to your tool, the tension of the nut that holds the piece on holds everything in place. But this is kind of a pain in the ass now. Yeah, so I was kind of messing with it for a few minutes. But anyway, I should probably take this all off first before doing anything else. It's really annoying when they don't give you directions, but I think it was probably, I don't know, 20 bucks or something like that. I have no idea how much it was. I'll find the link and I'll put it below. There's no oil or anything on there, so I don't know. But yeah, this thing is like super dangerous, so if you're not comfortable with losing fingers or hands, don't mess with this thing. But if you're comfortable with that, then have at it. Not that I'm comfortable with it, but son of a bitch. Alright, so there it goes. That's in there. There's actually arrows. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's an arrow here of what direction it spins in. Not sure what the hell that means, but it seems like there's only one direction this can go in. I guess if you could flip it over this way, try to put it on like that. Yeah, that would be kind of stupid though. Yeah, what the... Trying to line this shit up so I can put that one clip on there. Yeah, it's about to come off. There it is. So I don't know. I don't remember how it was when I got it. Yeah, I guess it goes like that. I have no idea. If somebody knows, that'd be cool if you could tell me. I imagine not too many people mess with stupid shit like this. I gotta stop cursing. My buddy Drew told me not to curse on these videos, but can't help it. Yeah, potty mouth. As my mom would say. Alright, anyway, that's how it is. I mean, I can get it on there and off pretty easily. But this thing's pretty cool. It's just dangerous. Really, really dangerous. It's fun though. Yeah, there's no point. Anyway, these gloves apparently, or supposedly, these gloves are supposed to protect your hands. That's why I'm wearing this Michael Jackson stuff. I guess there's fibers woven in here. I can't tell, but I don't know. I mean, my hand got pretty close to the blade without that guard there. Be a little sketchy, so I don't know. I don't know about taking that guard off. Anyway, enjoy. Happy New Year.